Alright guys, let's talk about one of the most important topic, which is technical analysis. So technical analysis means study of price movements using charts. Or in simple language, I would say we judge future price movement based on how market have performed earlier. Like what the future price can be, what trend may form, and what kind of market output can come. So by studying price charts, we try to get an idea about future price movement. Since we are talking about technical analysis, so let's start from the basics. So on the first place we have candlestick. So first let's understand what a candlestick is. Every candle that you see on the chart represents the price movement of a specific time frame, from 1 minute to 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, whatever you want. And a candle tells you, or a candle represents, four things: open, close, high and low. And if the close price is above the open price, then it means the candle is green and the market is bullish. If the close price is below the open price, then it means candle is red and the market is currently bearish. So moving ahead, now let's come to trend. And the market moves in three types of trend. First is uptrend. Uptrend means higher highs and higher lows. And on the second we have downtrend. And downtrend means lower highs and lower lows. And third comes sideways. Here the market remains range bound or in a consolidation phase. So in short, a trader's job is not to predict, but a trader's job is to identify the trend and trade along with it. So let's move ahead towards the next concept, which is support and resistance. Support is the level where buying becomes strong and price stops falling further. Resistance is the level where selling becomes strong and price stops moving upwards. So a support acts like a floor, a base or a ground level, whereas resistance acts like a roof or a ceiling. So after support and resistance, let's talk about volume. So if the price is moving upwards and the volume is high, then it means the move is strong. Whereas if the price is moving but the volume is low, then it means the move may be weak. Indicators like RSI, moving average, MACD, all these tools are used for confirmation. And remember one thing, indicators always lag behind price. So technical analysis is not just about prediction, it's a game of probabilities. Here you understand the behavior of both buyers and sellers. You learn how to identify candlestick, chart patterns, trend, volume, support and resistance. Then you can consider that your foundation in crypto trading has become strong. Thank you so much.